The Noble Dharani, Mañjuśrī's Sworn Oath. Homage to the three jewels, homage to the gentle protector. Thereupon, Mañjuśrī the ever-youthful rose from his seat, draped his upper garment over one shoulder, and knelt down on his right knee, and bowing toward the Blessed One with palms joined, he lowered his head to the Blessed One's feet, and enjoined the Blessed One thus: Blessed One, I have seen the vidyā. How wonderful if this sublime vidyā were to be spoken. The entire retinue applauded the Bodhisattva Mahasattva Mañjuśrī. Very good, Mañjuśrī, very good indeed. O Mañjuśrī, speak the vidyā. It is by means of the Blessed One's speech that I shall do so, he said. Then the Bodhisattva Mahasattva Mañjuśrī bowed to all Dharmas, the essence of all Buddhas, and spoke the vidyā. Nama Sava Tathagata Tebayo, Nama Mañjuśrīye Bodhisattvaya, Om Manjuvara Manjugosha Hana Hana Pacha Pacha Mata 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 Vidvamsaya Vidvamsaya Kara Kara Truta Truta Banja Banja Avisha Avisha Tuta Tuta Truta Truta Sputa Sputa Hardaya Bandhani Nama Sambodhani Pravesha Pravesha Lota Lota Karta Karta Krida 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 Hasa Hasa Prabandha Prabandha Avisha Avisha Hom 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 Pat 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 Svaha. Those who recite this thrice at midnight, or alternatively 7 times during the day, will acquire the great vidyā. Such persons will be able to memorize 300 ślokas. As for the associated ritual, having made a maṇḍala from sandalwood and offered lamps of clarified butter, if one recites the vidyā 8,000 times, it will be accomplished. Even if it is not accomplished, one will memorize 200 stanzas each day. O Blessed One, if what I have declared does not ensure even for someone who has committed the 5 misdeeds with immediate retribution, then I, too, will have committed the 5 misdeeds with immediate retribution. This concludes the Noble Dharani, Mañjuśrī's Sworn Oath.